Joining me is Karnataka BJP President Mr. B.S. Yadurappa. Welcome to Rajya Sabha TV, sir. The BJP says that it is going to win 22 seats in Karnataka. Where is that confidence stemming from?
I have toured the entire state, all the 28 Lok Sabha constituencies, 3 times from last 2 months. Under 1% minimum you are going to win 22 seats. There are, because 3 reasons. One, achievement of Modi's government, failure of this state government, and when we were in power, 5 years, our regime, the programs which we have given to farmers and Dalit. These are all things will helpful to us to win the 22 Lok Sabha seats. And you may surprised to know that even Mallikarjuna Kharge may lose in Kalaburgi, and also Kolar also Congress 6 times MP, 2 times minister is also going to lose that seat. Another one important thing is Devagowda himself is in trouble now because he contests from Tumkur. Our candidate Basuraj is very strong candidate. He is giving very good fight. Anything may happen, even for Devagowda ji.
But the BJP has not fielded any of its sitting MLAs, while the Congress has fielded its MLAs. Is the BJP looking at government formation in Karnataka after the Lok Sabha polls?
We have taken policy decision not to give any seat to the sitting MLAs, number 1. Number 2, it is too early to say anything, but if we win 22 seats, the difference of opinion in Congress and JDS that will grow. And I think they themselves fight each other. You know very well more than 20 MLAs from Congress party. They are not going to accept Kumaraswamy as the Chief Minister of Karnataka. Already infight is started. Let us wait and see up to Lok Sabha election result.
The Congress and the JDS, both of them say that this infighting is momentary and that their party leaders as well as the workers will come together to form a formidable opposition to the BJP. Would you concede?
You see, the election only 2 days are left. 18th first phase election. The infight is going on in Mandya and also Mysore and other places. The leaders, they may come together, but whereas workers, they are not happy with this present government because of most corrupt government, this one. That's why people are not happy. They are not going to prefer JDS or Congress.
The Congress also claims that there is infighting within the BJP as well.
Tell me one example. Because from last 2 months, our MLAs, our MPs, all our leaders, together we are working. And so many important leaders from Congress party, they have joined Bharatiya Janata Party. So nowhere, not even a single difference of opinion at all.
And what kind of equation do you foresee between the Congress and the JDS after the Lok Sabha polls?
You must wait and see. It is too early to say anything. Because Siddaramaiah has given so many statements, Kumaraswamy has given some other statement, and Mallikarjuna Kharge also is not happy. These are all things, infight is going on. We must wait and see.
So what is BJP's biggest electoral plank in Karnataka?
Failure of this government, corrupt government, and very important achievement of our Modi's government. The entire world is appreciating his work. And number 3, when we were in power 5 years, we have given very good government. People are happy about that. For example, I will tell you one example. Kumaraswamy promised, as if he become the Chief Minister, within 24 hours, he is going to waive off about 49,000 crores of farmers' loan. He was in power from last 9 months. Not even 4.5 crores couldn't able to waive the loans. And the entire state farmers are fed up like anything. People are not happy about this. He has cheated the public, he has cheated the farmers. So he is facing the music.
The Congress is also trying to get the farmers on its side, promising Nyay and promising different budget for farmers. Will that work?
No, Rahul Gandhi, Congress is promising anything. everybody knows they are not going to come to power. Whereas our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has promised so many things about for all the farmers, if they after 60 years they are going to get a pension, and almost all the farmers they are going to get about 6,000 rupees up to entire continuously they will get about 6,000 rupees every month, every year. And also very important is in Article 370 in Kashmir. They are going to withdraw. It's a very important one. And people are very happy about this type of decisions. Number 4, very important is linking of rivers, is from Atalji also promised so many things from the. Now Modi ji has taken the decision about this linking of rivers. It will helpful to the farmers. They will get water. They will get remuneration price, and it will be helpful to the entire country. Particularly farmers community is very happy about this.
All the best and thank you so much for talking to Rajya Sabha TV. Reporting from Karnataka with camera person Junaid Iqbal Khan, I'm Kriti Mishra for Rajya Sabha Television.